Hey everyone, this is Ian with AlphaCars and Motorcycles. Today I've got a very exciting product to show you, and it is the TEC Parts 2-in-1 exhaust system for the Royal Enfield 650cc twins. This is a brand new 2023 Continental GT 650. We did kind of a Café style build on this one, so if you're also interested in checking out this bike in depth, I will link a video for you to watch on this. But this video is focusing on this beautiful exhaust system. So we're gonna check it out up close, what it looks like installed on the bike. We'll talk about even the massive weight savings with this exhaust system. We'll get to see the high quality components, all the little pieces you get out of the box that make up this system. And we'll get to hear what it sounds like. Right now it has the removable baffle installed. So we'll get to hear what it sounds like with the baffle and without the baffle. And then we'll also hear just a stock bike with the stock exhaust for a point of reference. So don't forget to subscribe, then you won't miss this exciting motoring content that we try to give you guys. So now let's dive in to this 2-in-1 exhaust. So now I've got our Café style build next to a factory standard Continental GT, so we can see, you know, the differences with the bar end mirrors, the headlight guard, the fly screen. I mean, really everything comes together and really makes this bike what it is, but we can see what kind of immediately stands out to us, giving it that different character. But now let's start it up, and we're gonna hear the stock bike versus the one with the 2-in-1 Stinger exhaust. So I'm gonna do this comparison with the 2-in-1 with no baffle in it. So first we'll start up the factory one. And I've got the mic on me, but I'll walk around the bike a little bit so we can get some different dynamic of the sound. So the factory one, still a very throaty sound, especially once you get it on the road. It is a bit more throaty under load, but you know, not gonna bother any neighbors. Still gives you that that parallel twin growl with that 270-degree crankshaft. But now let's fire up our 2-in-1, and even at idle, it has a very good growl to it with no silencer. I had commented with the silencer in. You know, I'd start this up at 7 in the morning in my neighborhood and not feel bad. But with no silencer, that's really what you're comfortable with if you want to do that. So let's start up this one now. So now I'm gonna put the mic on the camera. And of course, this is a parking lot. First, a little bit of second gear. You know, this sounds like a whole different animal when you're really, you know, rowing through the gears. Or I say rowing, that's more of a car term. But when you're shifting through those gears on the open road, then it really, if you think it sounds good now, just wait till you get on the open road. So now, like I said, I'm gonna put the mic on the camera as if you were standing around, you know, kind of hearing this bike go by. one of the biggest perks to this is the weight savings. You save over 20 pounds, I believe. I'll put the exact number on the screen for you. You save over 20 pounds, which even just maneuvering these, getting on them back to back, I already noticed a difference with the lighter exhaust. And you do gain ground clearance too, because now the exhaust hugs kind of the side of the frame rail. It's not sort of beside it or under it like the factory exhaust. So, you know, whether it's just a street bike for you, or a lot of people will do kind of the scrambler builds with having kind of a partial dirt tire on it to, you know, maybe ride some gravel and dirt roads. Having some extra ground clearance there, you know, always helps. The purpose of this segment is checking out what the 2-in-1 exhaust looks like installed, checking out the clearances and the overall fitment. And this exhaust is really a work of art, as we've seen. You can see the O2 sensor bung right there. All the bends and everything are really exquisite. We weren't sure if it would work, but they do. The Royal Enfield, I believe these are called like the compact engine bars. They're kind of sleek. As we can see, they don't stick out too far, so they offer some discreet protection. I'll link those in the description as well for you from our e-store. But they do clear. We can see plenty of clearance there. And just checking out the joints. Remember seeing that bracket, or you'll see that bracket shortly when I show you the parts breakdown. And there's a removable silencer there, which is installed. And we see even this bracket, look how thick the rubber mounting bushings are for to keep things in place and vibration free as possible. Let's take a look at this on the other side. We have our other engine bar there. Now taking a look at the other header pipe, you can see that bend where it crosses over, our O2 sensor there. All very nice. And here's a quick segment on how to remove the baffle. From the muffler, you can see it just uses a C-clip to secure it in place. So what you need is some C-clip pliers. You can see they have these special ends which slot right into there. So you're just going to insert those and squeeze it to release it, and then just pull it straight out, and then you can just remove the baffle by hand, and that's all there is to it. To install it, you just slide the baffle back in, you'll insert the C-clip and then let go of it so it expands in the channel, and that's really as easy as it gets to remove and install that, depending on the sound levels you'd like. Now I've got the exhaust system laid out on our table here, and let's just take a close look at everything we get with this kit. You do have everything included for the installation, all the hardware, all the gaskets. Even in this slip joint right here, there is a gasket in here. It's a tight fit, as it should be, but just a note of that, as some other aftermarket systems for various motorcycles, a lot of times they don't even come with a simple gasket like that, so that's just something to note. Let's take a close look now at some of the welds and some of the bends in the pipes. You can just see that O2 sensor bung right there, just looks very nice. The welds on it, the flanges are all very high quality and thick, which is nice. So there's going to be no exhaust leaks once everything is torqued down properly. Even look at the welds on this little tab right here for one of these springs to keep the exhaust tensioned properly. We have our 2-in-1 collector here. Once again, just look at these welds. Love that. And our rear baffle or muffler, we've got the brand logo right on there. Once again, just these welds are they're just really awesome to look at. We've got this writing on here that obviously this is specially designed and approved to be used on the Continental and Interceptor. And once again, just taking a look, all very high quality, and you'll be seriously impressed the moment you take all this out of the box and check it out, as I was. Some of our hardware and components, we have a baffle. You can put in the end of the muffler to quiet things down a little bit if you'd like. But even look at this baffle. This is going to get all dirty from exhaust, and you're not going to see all this once you insert it. And still, look at how nice these welds are. It really just is kind of a work of art that doesn't need to look that pretty if, you know, someone's never going to see it. Here's another one of the header pipes. Even looking inside of it at how it was welded together, even those welds are amazing. Once again, welds you'll never see once it's installed, and that are going to get you know, full of exhaust. And our nice flange here as well, nice and thick. And all the brackets, like look at the welds on this. I talk a lot about the welds, but it really adds to the aesthetics of it as well. And all the hardware, you know, it's all stainless steel, all very high quality. So now that we're familiar with this exhaust system and everything we get, let's check out where we can buy it from. Here's the listing on our AlphaCars online store. You'll find it's very easy to navigate with its straightforward modern layout. Now looking at the listing, at the top here we have current pricing, this being accurate at the time of filming. If there are any reviews, you can view those right here, which will direct you down to our reviews tab. And then a feature that we are proud to offer here at AlphaCars is the option just to show a full cost with installation. So all you do is check this box, and then it adds in the installation labor. So this is a very convenient and time-saving feature when trying to calculate all the costs involved with buying a particular product, and little to no other online retailers offer this function. Now moving to our photo gallery, we have some very high-quality close-up photos here, so you can really see what we're getting and the quality of everything, and even it installed on our Café build Continental there. Moving below the photo gallery, you'll find a detailed description that highlights the product's features, specifications, vehicle fitment, and any installation instructions that are available. So now that you're familiar with this exhaust and where to get it, I'll give some final comments. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you're well informed on this awesome exhaust system now. And as I've mentioned, it is available on our e-store, so definitely check out that link, which will be in this video and in the description. Please leave a like on this video. We appreciate you guys' support. We do notice it. And don't forget to subscribe so then you don't miss all the latest and greatest cars, bikes, and accessories we have to offer here at AlphaCars. This has been Ian reporting from our Box Bar showroom, and until next time.